मैडम
एक मिनिट राव रे
पहिले फोटो घे चल
अरे त्यांका कोणाक दी रे तू तू वताक राव नाका
ओके
आता मासे फाटी आहे मरे इतले फुडे कित्याक वयता
So आमका रिक्वेस्ट रिकॉर्ड देखून राव म्हणून He's requesting us.
तुम्ही किती सांगले सीएम
See, we asked CM, CM को इंसाला कि आप तू कित decision, तू final decision दी. हम हाल पर जपाना. We asked him, ये दोन decision तू दोन दिसा decision इंसालते कित्या लागोन. Okay, so he told us these two decisions are because so far कि आमगे procedure हुई पावल म्हण ये आन्सर दिल तेणे and then सांगितलं आमकां हांव तुका रिक्वेस्ट करता और देखून राव हुई for the final decision. आम सगलें हुई फॉरवर्ड कोलो हाँ but finally is the central motto. हम देखो क्वेश्चन पासून कोला why is the prime minister not taking any action. इतू तू फॉलो अप कोला इतू तू सांगिल जाल्यार कित्या तो कांय आन्सर दिना. मैं तो सांगपा लागलो इट्स नॉट ओनली आ स्टेट दुसरे पासून स्टेट आहाय तेंगे आम तेंको पासून सीएम आ तेंको पासून हे कोलो हा रिक्वेस्ट कोलो हा तो मोठा हे डिसिजन आत वी आम खंयचे निर्णयाचे येपा और देखून little hope I'm giving you motto. I'm not guaranteeing you but I'm giving you a little hope motto. So day after tomorrow I can tell you which flight will come when. I'm not guaranteeing you motto but I will tell you motto. I'll let you know motto. By tomorrow evening also I'll let you know what is the current situation which I'm not happy with. Okay, because we cannot stand by हाल यहाँ पर prime minister निदलो ना कळ्ळें तुका इतू तो सगलें सांगता भाशण सगलें उलयता जाल्यार सी फेर खंय मोन आहाय ही इज टेलिंग इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट सी फेर इट्स लँडाचे पासून आहाय ते जाल्यार ओके लँडाचे आहाय न्हू बाबा जाल्यार प्रायम मिनिस्टर कित्या उलयना लँडा खबर सी फेररा खबर कित्या उलयना स्पीक अप एंड लेट अस ऑल्सो बी अश्योर्ड अबाउट थिंग्स तू सांगता पीएमाचे आहा जाल्यार आमी पीएमाक ब्लेम कोताय न्हू तुका ब्लेम कोनाय जाल्यार पीएमा सांग आमकां उलोवपा डायरेक्ट म्हण आम सांगताय म्हणटा कितें आहा तें तुम सांगताय हाल आम सांगलो हा हें कोलो आहा तें कोलो आहा हांवें फॉलो अप कोलो आहा तेश कोन्न जायना आय एम नॉट सॅटिस्फायड ही हॅज रिक्वेस्टेड मी टू गिव अप माय स्ट्रायक एंड ही हॅज टोल्ड मी दॅट आय अशोर यू हाल पोर देखून राव म्हण तो म्हणटा म्हणा गॅरंटी दिना कळ्ळें तुका दॅट इज वॉट ही सेड वीच इज नॉट एट ऑल एक्सेप्टेबल नॉट एट ऑल वी आर सॅटिस्फायड विथ इट I prefer to continue. Yeah, till it does not reaches PM. Now if he's saying it is the PM who's taking the, so let it reach to him. You address him that our people are gone on strike. So that's at least, that's when he listens and he comes up. If in that case also if he does not listen, I think it's the worst PM ever in my life, I can say. If still he does not listen.
Listen.
See, आता
nor a letter, what is it? Todan Sangile Sale. I told him, Renzi, Dixon, have given you entire, the project paper, where you don't need to even do anything. They have already spoon feed you. Okay, they've given everything on your table. What is the more, what is the conclusion like, what time are you taking? They have already helped you all. Okay? Rest also to Sangota, to Anthony, Ekota, Tenkota. That is just a backup for you all. They have already given you all what has to be done. So what is taking you all so much time? तू PM आचे का हाल PM को इंसाला PM मोटवाला CM आन सांगलो ना जर कोणा गे ऐकपा आमी right now PM needs to listen. He needs to listen to our voice. आम निदान नाही. He comes with a भाषण हाल ये करे ते जायना हाल हो लॉकडाउन तो लॉकडाउन ना एक दीस म्हाका सांगाय NRI जावं सीफेर जालां कोणाकू लागून तो उलयला ना म्हळ्यार हे सांगताय आम सगळे गव्हर्मेंटाक उलयले दे आर प्रेशरायझींग वय where are they pressurizing? I have not seen the pressure. So yeah, they're giving a small kid lollipop. Are ask the baba, that will not work for us. Mugia team don't, sit for hunger strike. My decision is I will go on till you are blaming him. Let him come down. Let him take a decision for us. The Prime Minister. He is blaming the central. Let those central guys also know that we are, struggling over here. Okay? तुझ तोंडान म्हूण जाऊन ना कळटा का ते सांगतले ते डिसिजन येतले पर डिसिजन सांगतो हांव गॅरंटी दिना. Okay? When you're not giving me guarantee, I'm not a small kid. Okay? To listen to you and okay, sit. Na baba, guarantee dina. As diya. No. I need an assurance. Okay? So if you're blaming him, let him come to know Ankit kon ahay ami Ankit kon kotli mun. It is going to be worst. This is the day one today. From tomorrow it will be the worst. Okay?
You continue on the anger strike.
Yes.
Thank you.
आमकां आनी ऑप्शन चड उरलें न्हय. आमी जाता तितलें केलें. We have gone to all options. See, the people are requesting to come out. आता तो म्हणटा decision घेतला. It is a false. It is not right. Because India cannot make decision. The whole world have made a decision. The poorest of the poorest countries have taken their citizen, and only Indians are left. Today we are talking about India, new India, digital India, vibrant India. Prime Minister is reaching to all the. He is talking about global India. Today we have a shame. Today a shame by the Indonesian government, who are the citizens have already left home. They are not as in the level of India. But today we are in a big shame. So please, it is high time that Prime Minister, we really want to know if the Prime Minister really knows about this situation. I just want to know, is really the message has gone to the Prime Minister? Because I feel that this is not. I feel it is just on the table like everybody else stranded. So when we talk about new India, when we talk about India, we used to talk very highly about India when we were on the ship. People used to respect us. Today, everybody have left us. They are asking us, where is your government? Where is your government not helping you all? We are 1.3, we have technology, we have the best military power. We are talking about, our Prime Minister has gone globally talking about NRIs. Prime Minister have taken the central stage in New York, in Washington, in Asia, in Middle East, everywhere. Today the NRIs wants help. Today we want a single permission to land every day. Every day, flights are taking off from Goa, Delhi, Bombay, taking the citizen. So don't tell me that the government have not given permission. It is just because they don't want to bring the seafarers. They feel that they might, they cannot control the COVID-19. No, it is wrong. Seafarers are not infected. They are not, it's been 25 days they have been in quarantine. They have finished the period. Honestly, they don't even need to be quarantined now. They have already been there. They only have the mental stress. So I request the Prime Minister to somebody to talk to us. Is this really going to happen? It is Gina have given the lead. We are with her.
Yeah, because even when I
Email has gone left, right, and center. We are not talking about letters. Direct email to the Prime Minister office, to his private secretary, external affairs, many emails. See, we don't. Put letter that letter. That is not working. It is already finished. That we have written, we have wrote, we have got communicated via emails. So we have tweeted everything. So we don't see any reply from the PMO that yes, acknowledgement of letter. Baba, this letter has been come from you all. We don't get that. If we get that, yes, we would have said that okay, Prime Minister office, this Paula, this message has been gone. But nothing like that.
That the supply chain has to continue. The seriousness of the supply chain, या ज्या मोबाईल घेणं आहे अख्खे जे गॅजेट सगळे आहे ते is coming because of the supply chain. And who is doing the supply chain? Is the seafarer. So part of this entire global economy इंगसोन तिंगा कौन होता है? Seafarer होता है. This even the Prime Minister knows, the Shipping Minister knows, everybody knows. When everybody knows, so why is there no effort to bring these stranded guys back home? 2 days, everybody says neither 1 or 2 days. There is vessel Marella Discovery आणि vessel Karnika. Marella Discovery अजून अँकर घातलो ना कालसून. अजून तेगे कॅप्टन अनाउन्स मारिता काली मेसेज धाडली आणि ट्रू मेसेज कितली भुरगे आहेत ते देखून सांगून धाडले एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतल्यान. पूण कोण इनिशिएटिव्ह घेना, कित्याक इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवपाक सोदना ते कांयच एक सोजमीकाय मेळना. ते सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन ऑर्डर मिडियाकूय सीफेरर्स आणि दुसरे जो लाखांनी लोक स्ट्रँडेड आहा भरपूर डिफरन्स आहा परत परत जायचा मुको हिंचा काय तू सी फेरेजाक लागून कित्याक होता सी फेरेज बोटीर असता सी फेरेज जी बोट आसता ती बोट रेजिस्टर्ड असता हुंय जाल्यार हुंय बोट अमेरिका असता रेजिस्ट्रेशन मॉरिशस असता दुबय असता पूण बोट अमेरिका आहा सो ती बोट उदकां आसता ती दुयेंत मनीस पडले जाल्यार हजारांनी लोकां केटर करपा मेडिकल फॅसिलिटी बोटीर आसना दुबय कुवेट लाखांनी मायग्रंट्स आहाय लाखांनी लोक आहा तेंक कुवेट दुयेंत जाले जाल्यार दुबय दुयेंत जाले जाल्यार दे हॅव गॉट दी फॅसिलिटीज टेम्पररी पूण तेंक कितें पूण करपा जाता बोटीर कांय करूं जायना and that is how boys are dying and that is how we are saying that these are the people and these are the Indians among all the lakhs of Indians who are abroad. Indian seafarers are the one who has to come and enter the country first. This has to be the key. And why is because they are on a floating object. They are not on land. And that is the difference. Why among all the lakhs of Indians, 25,000 seafarers has to come back this is the priority. Because they are not on land, they are on sea. And there is a big difference and everybody knows this. Everybody knows. Shipping ministry knows this. Ministry of External Affairs knows this. DG Shipping knows this. And they are also doing their work. But it is not happening. So this is what is the call. She has taken the initiative. She wants her husband to come back. All these ladies here wants their husbands to come back. It is not that this is 10 numbers. This can be thousands if there was no lockdown today. This could have been thousands. So he message मातशें seriously try to work on it. आणि आमकां जर तर दाखयतलो एंटनींग कितें केलें तें आमकां कांयच ओपा नाका. You just show us your quarantine centers are ready with one doctor, one nurse, one photograph आणि धाड तुगे 10,000 रुमाचे quarantine centers declare करूया फाल्यां. I think the Prime Minister will first bring the Goans back. Goan seafarers back.
What about your final decision on the decision?
I told him also, whereas he was